Hi guys, if you're 40 or near 40, then hear me out. Get ready with me in my 40s. First of, syempre, kailangan natin i-moisturize yung skin natin. I'm using this Lux Organics Aloe Vera and Snail Soothing Gel. So it says here that it's moisturizing, firming, and brightening. And that's what we need pag near 40 na tayo. It's important to moisturize our skin since medyo prone na tayo to dryness. Kasi nagbabago yung skin texture natin, skin type natin when we are aging. Next is this First Base Everyday Skin Tint with SPF 30 Broad Spectrum by Colorette. For everyday ko itong ginagamit. Actually, alternate sila no isa ko pang skin tint na BLK. Also, meron din akong bare face. So yeah, ganyan ako maglagay. And then, please make sure na it's very light lang. Hindi siya i-rub na ganun by using this kind of brush. See? May difference. Kita niyo yung skin ko dito tsaka dito. Very glowing. So, make sure lang na idadab niyo lang yung brush. Huwag niyo lang ganyan. So, we're aiming for a glowing 40. Don't forget your neck. And yun dito, syempre sa ears niyo pala. And then, don't just do this kasi yung skin natin, we're aiming for a glowing snatch natural look. Kines. Okay, next is my contour. This one is the Stereoscope Liquid Contour by Beauty Glaze. Dito ko lang siya nilalagay. Here, 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 here. Siyempre sa jawline, lalo na kapag may mga double chin tayo, triple chin like me. Kasi ang lakas ko sa chocolates. So yeah, anyway. Ganyan lang siya. Then I'm going to use my same brush. And then you just brush it off like this. Until dun sa my hairline. See? And then this one here, papunta lang sa baba. Kasi we're aiming for a sculpted or shadow or mas, see? And then, ito naman, dyan lang siya. Papunta rito. Actually, iba-iba naman yung style ng pag-makeup. It depends upon your preference and your makeup look. But yeah. So, here naman sa nose ko, I'm using this kind of brush. Ayan, hindi ko pa nga nalilinisan. Ayan, brush ko naman ganyan, papunta dun sa eyebrows. Para magkaroon ng illusion na shadow to make your nose lifted. So, there. And up to here. Yan. See? Next is this blush from Vice Cosmetics. I forgot the shade, but yeah, it's always fresh. It's kind of look natural. So I'm just going to put it here. A bit here. Same brush, dab it like that. That goes up to here. Yeah. And then a bit here. Just bring it down a bit para medyo, alam yun, sun-kissed kineso. Parang natural blush. Anyways, just dab it dito din sa loose part. So yeah, yan lang. For my eyebrows, I'm using this Ochil. I don't know paano siya i-pronounce, but yeah. Originally and naturally, I have a bushy eyebrows. So, thank you dahil pinagpala ako sa eyebrows. Salamat sa nanay ko. Charot. So, yeah, I'm just going to brush it like that. And hindi ko siya masyadong dinidikit sa skin ko. Ang bilis lang din ito mag-set. Manageable naman siya. Nag-set na siya, huwag niyo na siyang i-brush kasi papangit lang kilay niyo. So, yeah. Yan siya. See? Tapos, sa kabila lang din. And then, para lang bigyan ng mga missing parts ng eyebrows ko, I'm using this Two Tips Eyebrow Pencil by ZZ. Pero wala na siya. Actually, nakadalawa na ako. Nakatatlo na ako kasi natapon ko na yung isa. Hindi ko na alam dito ko alin yung meron. But yeah, ito yung ginagamit ko pang fill ng mga spaces na andyan. Medyo hindi siya maganda sa paningin. Hindi lang din itong gamitin, guys. See? Chuchu Beauty Hot Fudge for my, what do you call this, bronzer. So, dalawang shade na siya. Bronzer, dito lang sa top ng eyebrows. A bit here sa forehead, a bit also. And dito sa part ng blush. And nalagyan ko lang dito sa pababa para hindi siya mahiwalay sa face ko. For the lips, I'm using this Maange matte lipstick. Pero if meron kayong gloss, much better. Para hindi nagda-dry. Kasi more of parang fresh and glowy yung skin natin hanggang sa lips. So yeah, here's the finished look. Happy 40s. Hope this helps. Bye.